Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am Emma, and today we are going to practice the topic Learn English with Motivation. This lesson is for beginner and intermediate learners who want simple English, strong encouragement, and real practice. Motivation means the feeling that gives you energy to start and continue. Many learners begin English with excitement, but after some days they feel tired, busy, or discouraged. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Today, we will learn how motivation can help your English grow. Motivation is important, but it is not magic. It can help you open your notebook, listen to a lesson, repeat a sentence, or speak aloud. But motivation can change. Some mornings you feel excited. Some evenings you feel tired. Some days you say, I can do this. Other days you say, English is too hard. This is normal. A good learner does not wait for perfect motivation. A good learner uses motivation when it comes, and also builds habits for the days when motivation is weak. Let us begin with one simple sentence. I want to learn English. Repeat it slowly. I want to learn English. Now add a reason. I want to learn English because it can help my future. I want to learn English because I want to speak with more people. I want to learn English because I want better opportunities. Opportunity means a chance to do something good. Reasons are important because reasons feed motivation. Feed means give energy or strength. Another useful sentence is, I am motivated to learn. Repeat it. I am motivated to learn. You can also say, I feel motivated today. I feel motivated when I see progress. I feel motivated when I understand something new. I feel motivated when I speak one clear sentence. These sentences help you talk about your learning feelings. Feelings are part of language learning. When you can name your feelings, you can manage them better. Now let us talk about the opposite feeling, discouraged. Discouraged means losing hope or energy. You can say, I feel discouraged today. I feel discouraged when I forget words. I feel discouraged when I do not understand fast English. I feel discouraged when I compare myself with others. Compare means look at yourself and another person and feel better or worse. Feeling discouraged does not mean you should stop. It means you need a kinder plan and a smaller step. Practice encouragement sentences. I feel discouraged, but I can continue. I forgot a word, but I can learn it again. I made a mistake, but I can correct it. Correct means make something right. I do not understand everything, but I understand more than before. I am not perfect, but I am improving. Improving means becoming better. These sentences are powerful because they help you continue when your mood changes. Now, let us talk about your why. Your why means your reason. Why are you learning English? Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want to watch videos without translation. Maybe you want to speak with people from different countries. Maybe you want confidence. Maybe you want to prove to yourself that you can learn. Your why is personal. Personal means connected to your life. A strong why can carry you through difficult days. Practice why sentences. I am learning English for my future. I am learning English for my work. I am learning English for travel. I am learning English to communicate. Communicate means share ideas and understand others. I am learning English because I want confidence. I am learning English because I want to grow. Growth means becoming better. Choose one sentence that feels true for you. Repeat it often. Your reason should be easy to remember. Now let us talk about small progress. Progress means improvement or movement forward. Motivation becomes stronger when you notice progress. Progress can be small. You learned one new word. You understood one sentence. You spoke for 1 minute. You wrote 3 lines. You listened for 10 minutes. These are not small in a bad way. They are small wins. A small win is a small success. Small wins tell your brain, I can do this. Practice small win sentences. I learned 1 new word today. I repeated 5 sentences today. I listened to English today. I spoke aloud today. I wrote in my notebook today. I understood more than before. I did not give up today. Give up means stop trying. These sentences help you celebrate effort. Celebrate means feel happy about something good. When you celebrate small wins, motivation returns more easily. Now let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel wants to learn English, but he often loses motivation. On Monday, he watches a video and feels excited. He says, "I will study every day for 2 hours." On Tuesday, he studies for 1 hour. On Wednesday, he is tired after work. On Thursday, he misses practice. On Friday, he feels guilty. Guilty means feeling bad because you did not do something important. Then he stops for 2 weeks. One day, Daniel realizes his plan was too big. He was depending on strong motivation every day. Depend means need something too much. But motivation is not strong every day, so Daniel changes his plan. He writes, "I will practice English for 10 minutes every day. If I feel motivated, I can do more. If I feel tired, I will still do 10 minutes. This plan is small, realistic, and kind." Realistic means possible in real life. The next day, Daniel listens to a short English lesson. He repeats 3 sentences. "I want to improve. I can start small. I will not give up. It takes 10 minutes. He does not feel amazing, but he feels proud. Proud means happy because of effort. The next day, he does the same. After 1 week, Daniel has practiced 6 days. He missed 1 day, but he returned. This is progress. Motivation grows when Daniel sees that he can return. Daniel also makes a motivation notebook. On the first page, he writes his why. "I am learning English because I want to communicate with confidence and create a better future." On the next page, he writes small wins. Day 1, I listened. Day 2, I repeated. Day 3, I wrote 5 sentences. Day 4, I spoke aloud. This notebook becomes proof. Proof means something that shows something is true. It proves he is not only dreaming, he is practicing. After 1 month, Daniel still has difficult days. He still forgets words. He still feels shy. Shy means nervous around people. He still does not understand fast speakers. But he has one new belief. Belief means something you think is true. He believes he can continue. Before, 1 bad day stopped him. Now 1 bad day is only 1 bad day. He returns the next day. This is real motivation. Not loud excitement, but quiet return. Now let us talk about internal and external motivation. Internal means inside you, external means outside you. Internal motivation is when you learn because you want growth, confidence, communication, or personal change. External motivation is when you learn because of a job, exam, certificate, travel, or family expectation. Expectation means what someone thinks should happen. Both can help. But internal motivation often lasts longer because it is connected to your heart and identity. Practice motivation sentences. My internal motivation is growth. My internal motivation is confidence. My external motivation is work. My external motivation is travel. Both reasons can help me. I want English to be part of my life. Identity means who you believe you are. When you say, "I am an English learner," you create a new identity. When you practice daily, that identity becomes stronger. You stop saying, "I want to learn one day," and start saying, "I am learning now." Now let us talk about motivation and discipline. Discipline means doing what helps your future, even when you do not feel like it. Motivation says, "I feel excited, so I will practice." Discipline says, "I do not feel excited, but I will practice a little." Motivation starts the engine. Discipline keeps the car moving. Engine means the part that gives power to a car. You need both. Motivation gives energy. Discipline gives structure. Structure means a clear order or plan. Practice disciplined sentences. I will practice even when I feel tired. I will do a small lesson. I will repeat 1 sentence. I will write 1 line. I will come back tomorrow. I do not need perfect motivation. I need steady action. Steady means calm, regular, and not stopping. These sentences help when you do not feel excited. A learner with discipline can continue through normal, busy life. Practice environment sentences. I will keep my notebook on the table. I will save English lessons on my phone. I will follow helpful English content. I will put useful sentences on the wall. I will spend time with people who encourage me. Encourage means give hope and energy. I will make English easy to start. When practice is easy to start, motivation does not need to be huge. Huge means very big. Now let us talk about motivation and comparison. Many learners lose motivation because they compare too much. They watch other people speak fast English and think, I am too slow. They see advanced learners and think, I am not good enough. But every learner has a different beginning, different time, different background, and different life. Background means life history and situation. Comparison can steal joy. Steal means take something that is not yours. Learn from others, but do not punish yourself with comparison. Practice comparison sentences. I will not compare too much. I have my own journey. Journey means the path of learning or life. I am improving at my own speed. Other learners can inspire me. Inspire means give motivation or hope. They do not define me. Define means say exactly what something is. My progress is personal. This sentence is important. My progress is personal. Your English journey belongs to you. Respect it. Now let us talk about motivation through goals. A goal is something important you want to do. Goals give direction. Direction means knowing where to go. Without a goal, English practice can feel random. Random means without a clear plan. A good goal can be simple. I want to speak for 1 minute. I want to learn 5 new words. I want to understand 1 podcast. I want to introduce myself clearly. Small goals are easier to reach. Reaching goals creates motivation. Practice goal sentences. My goal is to speak English more confidently. My goal is to listen every day. My goal is to learn useful phrases. My goal is to practice for 10 minutes. My goal is to write 3 sentences. My goal is to keep going. Keep going means continue. These sentences help you talk about your learning clearly. A clear goal can turn weak motivation into action. Now let us talk about motivation through meaning. Meaning means why something matters. English is not only grammar and vocabulary. It can help you connect with people, learn new ideas, understand the world, find opportunities, and express yourself. Express means show or say your thoughts and feelings. When English feels boring, return to meaning. Ask, why does this matter to me? Maybe English matters because it opens doors. Open doors means create opportunities. Maybe it matters because it gives you confidence. Practice meaning sentences. English can help me communicate. English can help my future. English can help me learn. English can help me express my ideas. English can open new doors. English can give me confidence. These sentences remind you that daily practice has a purpose. Purpose means a clear reason. Purpose keeps motivation alive when the lesson feels difficult. Now, let us build your motivation sentence bank. I want to learn English. I am motivated to learn. I feel discouraged, but I can continue. I have a strong reason. My progress is real. Small wins matter. I will practice for 10 minutes. I will not give up. I have my own journey. I can start again. I am becoming better. Keep these sentences ready. Repeat them when motivation feels weak. Now, let us practice questions and answers. What is motivation? Motivation is the feeling that gives me energy to start and continue. Why are you learning English? I am learning English because I want a better future. What makes you feel motivated? Small progress makes me feel motivated. What makes you feel discouraged? Forgetting words makes me feel discouraged. What can you do when motivation is weak? I can practice for 5 or 10 minutes. What is one small win? Listening today is a small win. Now, let us practice more personal answers. Do you feel motivated today? Yes, I feel motivated today. Or, no, I feel tired, but I can still practice a little. What is your English goal? My goal is to speak more confidently. What is your biggest challenge? Now, let us practice a short motivation speech. Repeat after me. I am learning English with motivation. I have a strong reason for learning. I want to speak with confidence and create a better future. Some days I feel excited, and some days I feel tired, but I do not need perfect motivation every day. I can practice for 10 minutes. I can repeat useful sentences. I can learn from mistakes. I can start again. You can change this speech for your life. Say, I am learning English for work. I am learning English for travel. I am learning English for my confidence. I am learning English because I want to grow. Add your real reason. A real reason is stronger than a copied reason. Copied means taken from someone else. Your motivation must connect to your life. When your reason is real, your practice feels more meaningful. Meaningful means full of value. Now, let us talk about low motivation days. Low motivation means you do not feel much energy. On those days, do not ask yourself to do a very hard lesson. Do easy practice. Listen to a familiar lesson. Familiar means known and comfortable. Repeat old sentences, review your notebook, write one line, speak for 30 seconds. A low motivation day still counts if you do one small action. Counts means is important or included. Do not let one low day become a lost week. Practice low day sentences. I feel tired today, so I will do easy practice. I will listen to an old lesson. I will repeat 3 sentences. I will write one line. I will rest and continue tomorrow. I will not quit because of one hard day. These sentences are kind and strong. Kindness keeps you from self-hate. Strength keeps you moving. You need both. Now, let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. Why do you want to learn English? What gives you motivation? What makes you lose motivation? What is one small win from this week? What can you do on a low motivation day? What sentence can encourage you? Pause when you need time. You can answer simply, I learn English because I feel motivated when I can continue by. One more helpful practice is the motivation journal. A journal is a place where you write your thoughts. Every night, write 3 sentences. Today, I practiced. Today, I learned. Tomorrow, I will continue. Example, today, I practiced listening for 10 minutes. Today, I learned the word motivation. Tomorrow, I will repeat 5 sentences. This journal helps you see progress. When you see progress, motivation grows. Another helpful practice is the reason card. Write your main reason on a small card or in your phone. My reason: I am learning English because I want to speak with confidence and build a better future. Read it every morning. Read it when you feel tired. This small card can remind you why practice matters. It is not magic, but it can guide your mind back to purpose. Remember, motivation is helpful, but it changes. Do not depend only on excitement.